Assalamualaikum everyone and very good morning to all of my dear students. How are you all? Well students, I'm your teacher of subject English. So let's start today's lecture. So dear students, as you know that today is 20th of April 2021 and the day is Tuesday. I hope that everyone is enjoying their holidays at home and they are spending their time in studies as well as playing. Okay. So, well, you can see here this is a new curriculum course book which is English and it's for grade 1. As you know that teacher has already given you the introductory video related to this curriculum's new book. Okay, so here you go. The first page which unit number 1, and the name of the unit number 1 is time to recall. Okay, as you know that we have already read this page and you can see in the colorful picture there is a train going on and you can see the boxes of the train are like ABC, are in the form of ABC and ABC के ऊपर you can see the small, the lower grade letters, यानी कि आपको lower case नज़र आ रहे हैं जो कि ABC है, but we will read their sounds A, B, K. Okay, all right. बिकॉज इस वी हैव ऑलरेडी रेड दिस पेज, हमने अपनी लास्ट वीडियो में इस पेज का आउटकम पहले पढ़ चुके हैं विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू द यूनिट 1. क्या आपको यूनिट 1 में पढ़ के आपको क्या क्या पता चल जाएगा, ठीक है. यू विल बी एबल टू लाइक ड्रॉ द वर्टिकल हॉरिजेंटल स्लांटेड कर्व्ड लाइन्स forward and backwards by your own. You will be able to trace and draw circles and curves, and you will be able to draw the lines and create simple patterns by your own. Okay, you will be able to say the sounds after completing the unit 1. This is all about this outcome of the unit 1. Okay, इस पेज में सब कुछ है, ठीक है, कि आप क्या सीखेंगे जब आप when you will complete with the unit 1. So which things you will be able to do by your own. Okay, here you go. If you go to the page number 2 which is given on your unit 1 and the new book of for the grade 1, so you will see there are many pictures. You will see there are many colorful pictures in front of you. Now we take start like getting started. Look and say the names, यानी कि देखो और इनके नेम बोलो, ठीक है. Look and say the name. First of all you can see here cat means, first of all you see the pictures. When you see the picture you will say the sound like आपके you will be able to have the image, और जब आप image in your mind you will get the sound of that or the name of that thing as well, ठीक है. आपको उस object का, उस thing का name एकदम से आपके mind में आ जाएगा because you have been already familiar with all these images. cat जो कि आप इससे फेमिलियर होंगे बिकॉज यू हैव ऑलरेडी सीन द कैट इन द इमेज, इन द पिक्चर और इन द रियल फॉर्म एज वेल, ठीक है. सो द फर्स्ट पिक्चर विच इज़ इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू दैट इज़ cat and we will say the name by seeing the picture. It's CAT cat, or in the sounds you will say cat, cat. Okay, the next picture which you can see next to the cat is hat. You must be very familiar with this object because we wear hat on our head, ठीक है. So hat, how do we spell hat? HAT hat. And how do we say it in the sounds? hat. वैसे H की साउंड होती है. Okay, so you will put your palm in front of your mouth and you say the sound. Okay, hat. Next you can see the picture is of hen. भी you must be very familiar with this hen क्योंकि hen भी आप देख चुके होंगे और real में भी और in picture भी. So HEN hen, and the sounds are hen. Hen. Next the picture is pot. Pot. We mostly have the pots in our home gardens, and besides that we can see the pot in the school garden as well, school ground as well, ठीक है. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे pots होते हैं along with the trees, with the huge trees. आपके school में भी बहुत सारे pots हैं, ठीक. पॉट्स जिसके अंदर हम ट्रीज यानी कि छोटे छोटे जो प्लांट्स हैं उसको ग्रो करते हैं. सो POT पॉट, POT पॉट. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज नेट. नेट. Now say the name net and say the spelling NET. 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 Okay, we say it with the sounds as well. Next picture is top. 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 Now say the sounds. TOP. 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 ठीक है. Next picture is of sun. Sun तो it's like every day we see the shine, we see the bright sun every morning. ठीक है. So sun we say it by spellings SUN sun, or if we pronounce the sounds sun, sun. Okay. Next picture is bed. BED bed, and the sound is BED bed. BED bed. Okay. Next you can see let's talk. Now when you say the names of the given images, then the next question is let's talk. जो आपको नीचे नज़र आ रहा है, say the initial sounds of the given words. आपने initial sounds बोलनी है given words की. ठीक है. जैसे cat है, what is the initial sound of cat? ख. What is the initial sound of hat? ह. What is the initial sound of hen? H. What is the initial sound of pot? P. What is the initial sound of net? What is the initial sound of top? T. What is the initial sound of sun? S. What is the initial sound of bed? B. Name any 5 objects in your surroundings. Now this is the thing which you have to do by your own. Like you have to say the name of the objects which you can see surrounding you. Okay, यानी कि आप जहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, the place where you are sitting right now, it would be like a drawing room, it would be a dining room, it would be a bedroom, or it would be a लिविंग रूम एज वेल. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे यू हैव टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट अराउंड यू. क्या आपको देखना है, यू हैव टू फाइंड सम ऑब्जेक्ट्स सराउंडिंग यू. आपको अपने इर्द गिर्द कुछ चीज़ें फाइंड करनी है. लाइक इट कैन बी टेबल हो सकता है, चेयर हो सकता है, इट कैन बी वॉल, इट कैन बी फ्रिज. यू मस्ट हैव योर मोबाइल इन योर हैंड. ये मोबाइल भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट है. ठीक है. द थिंग इन ऑन विच यू आर सिटिंग, इट वुड बी अ सोफ़ा भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट है. Books, laptop, and water bottle, etc. etc. ठीक है. So this is your work which you need to do by your own, that you have to find the objects, any 5 objects, और इन 5 objects को आपने with the help of your mother, with the help of your tuition teacher, you have to do this activity. ठीक है. 5 objects बोलनी है, like book, table, chair. Now say the initial sound of table, it's th. Say the initial sound of chair is k. Say the initial sound of fridge. Okay. Say the initial sound of book, b. From this way you have to do this activity. Okay. Now you can see here, read the given letters and say their sounds. You have already done this in your prep class. ठीक है. So it would be very easy for you. A B B C K D D E F G G H I E J J K K L M N O O P P Q Q R S T T T U R V W X Y Z Z. Okay. That's it for today's lecture. I hope that you enjoyed your lecture. We read actually second page and the third as well. I hope that you have cleared every concept of the given pages. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.